We got a special sparkly orange egg. Should we see what's inside? Woohoo! Hi guys, it's me, Marshall.
Hi little earthlings, it's me, Marty the Martian. We are going to be playing with construction vehicles today with the Paw Patrol. This is a red cement truck. Let's see all the other trucks.
Okay, you guys, we're going to go through all of our different vehicles today with the Paw Patrol. Yeah, Marshall on his cement truck. His red cement truck. Okay, let's see who's going to come next. Woohoo! Ooh, look, it's Chase with a dump truck. This truck is blue to match Chase. Dump truck. He fits good in there. He fits really good in that. Okay, let's get our next vehicle. What did that vehicle bring in? We got a special sparkly orange egg. Should we see what's inside? It's Robo-Dog. Hi, Robo-Dog. Robo-Dog has blue ears and an orange collar. And look, he can fit right in with this fun little bulldozer. Little picker-upper. That's really fun. But now that we got a surprise, we need another vehicle. Wow! And we found Rocky. He has a big crane truck. It can scoop up dirt. And it's green to match Rocky. Let's set it right there with Rocky on it. Nice. Look at all of our Paw Patrol with our construction vehicles. All right, we need another one with Rubble. Who's gonna match Rubble? Rubble has a yellow construction vehicle, and it has a big crane that just hooks things. Whoop, 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 whoop. Set it right there with Rubble. Rubble on the double. All right, what else do we have? Woohoo! Whoa, Zuma! We have an orange cement loader. An orange cement roller. It can roll things really flat and smooth with Zuma on it. They're both orange. Now we have one Paw Patrol left. Are you coming? Woo! It's Sky. Except look, Sky has a yellow vehicle. And look, this can pick up things. Pick up. Whoops. So she can stand right on that thing over here by Rubble. Okay. Do you see all the Paw Patrol we have with all of the different construction vehicles? Let's make all of them drive. Let's start with this one. Here we go. Wow! How about this orange one? That one rolled really good. How about our green one? It rolled back good too. Yellow? Wow! And blue, look, let's try to keep Chase in the blue one. Yeah! Nope, Chase knocked it over. Woo, that one did a 180. That one came straight back. Whoa, whoa, that one spun all sorts of crazy ways. That was fun with all of our crazy construction vehicles.
Yep, and that's it for this story, you guys. So, let's see what's going to happen next.
Now it's Chase's turn. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Chase knocked them all down too. Good job, Chase. Woohoo!
Hello, little earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. Look at these fun bowling pins we have today. Let's bring in the Paw Patrol so they can play with them. Zim, zam, shabam.
Ooh, here come our Paw Patrol. Those aren't Paw Patrol, those are just all of their vehicles. Whoa! 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 Where did we come from? I don't know, Zuma, but let's put you in your cars. Zuma gets the orange car. Sky gets the pink car. Rocky gets his green car. Marshall gets his red car. Chase gets his blue car. And Rubble gets his yellow car. All right, are you guys ready to do some bowling? Yes, we are. All right, let's set up your bowling pins. All right, there are your bowling pins. Now we just gotta wait to see who can knock the most over. All right, let's start with Rebel. Are you ready, Rebel? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Rebel knocked down all of them but 1. Good job, Marshall. You knocked down 5. Good job, Rebel. You knocked down 5. Woohoo! All right, let's put them back up. Okay. Ooh, let's have Zuma go next. Are you ready, Zuma? All right, here you go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that was close, Zuma. You only knocked down 4. That's okay. It was so fun. Good job, Zuma. You're a good sport. Now, let's do that again. This time, let's use Sky. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Sky, that was so close. You knocked down all of them but 1, so you knocked down 5, just like Rebel. Woohoo, just like Rebel. All right, Marshall, are you ready? Yep, here I come. Woo! What? Marshall, that's not the right car. Huh? I mean, I just found it. Marshall. Okay, I'll get my other car. Okay, that's very nice. It was fun riding in this big car too, though. You knocked down all of the pins with your big fire truck. I know. All right, Marshall, now you have to play fair and do the same car as we have. Okay. Silly Marshall. Now he's going to do it with his normal car, just like all the other Paw Patrol. All right, Marshall, are you ready? I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. What? See, Marshall, you didn't need your big car to get a strike. You got it with your little car. You're right. I'll always follow the rules now. Good job, Marshall. Marshall totally knocked down all of the pins. Now it's Chase's turn. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Chase knocked them all down too. Good job, Chase. Woohoo! Thanks, everybody. That was fun. Now we only have 1 Paw Patrol left. It's Rocky. Look, here's Rocky's pin. It's green. And here comes Rocky. 1, 2, 3. Oop, you got all of them but 1, Rocky. Good job. So you got 5. So Zuma knocked down 4. Rubble, Rocky, and Sky knocked down 5. Marshall and Chase knocked down 6.
Good job, Paw Patrol. And now that you're done playing bowling, let's see what's going to happen next. Hi, guys. Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim, zam, shabam. Oh, look. Here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.